Everybody on YouTube wants to learn how to make HD no full HD thumbnails for YouTube. In this video I will show you how to create full HD 4K thumbnail for your content. First of all you need a software called Photoshop. Link is in the description. Okay, let's start the video. Create a size of 1280 x 720. If you go ahead like 1080p, your thumbnail must not be full HD, its quality became lower by increasing resolution. So always prefer 1280 x 720 for HD thumbnail. The main thing that you did not hear before, it's the color. Always choose 16-bit or 32-bit color for your thumbnail. In my case I choose 16-bit. So let's start. Now the time to design your thumbnail. I will design a simple thumbnail in my video. You can design your desired thumbnail. Okay, start designing. Sorry for my spelling mistake. You can choose all types of colors. But you need to choose that colors which are hotly highlighted. I mean you need to pick those colors which are eye-catchy. If you choose dark colors that would be less beautiful. So in choosing colors always prefer to eye-catchy colors. Here I will choose some of colors. White and yellow and red are some basic colors which are highly recommended for YouTube thumbnails. When you done working, save the thumbnail in JPEG format at highest quality. To save, click a file. Then, export. Okay, all done. Goodbye and see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.